Alright, I'm David Harry, and in my last video I was showing you the average time it should take someone to put together or to build a PC, and in that instance a NUC PC. So in this video what I'm going to do is show hopefully the fastest build on YouTube of a PC, specifically a NUC PC. So what I'm going to do is the exact same thing I did in the last one, which is to put 2 sticks of RAM in, an M.2 SSD, and also a SATA 2.5-inch spinning disc or mechanical drive. So what I'm going to do, as soon as I pick up that screwdriver there, that's when the clock starts, and then at the very end, once I've got the NUC together and put it back down in the orientation that it is there, that's when the clock stops. So let's get ready for this. Okay, so there we go there. I think that is the fastest PC build on YouTube at the moment, and quite specifically for a NUC. So there we have it then. If you've liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon thing for future videos. Anyway, I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.